Definitely. And I think that this next question from one of our parents here, it kind of builds interestingly, but takes in a different direction. How do we work with our teens on communication motivation? You know, it can be a whole different ball game, or is it a whole different ball game? Obviously, it's different for every kiddo, but just shedding some light on motivation to communicate specifically for teens.
I think that when it comes to motivation around communication, the person just has to want to interact and socialize. I mean, there are introverts and extroverts all over the world unrelated to autism. There are some people like myself who never stop talking, and there are other people who literally say 1 or 2 words a day, and they're fine with that, right? I don't understand it, but I know that there are people out there like that.
You heard that it's true, you know?
Yeah. And so I think it's a matter of, I only think of it in a concerning way if the child expresses the need to want to, socialize, like if they want to do things and they're feeling like they want to engage, but they're really, really